Travel is exciting. It can also be expensive. Don't worry. You can travel on a budget. It takes some planning. Start with research. Decide where you want to go. Then think about when you can go. Look at flights and hotels. See how much they cost at different times. This will help you find the best deals. Planning helps you save money. It also makes your trip smoother. You can relax and enjoy your adventure. Flights are a big part of travel costs. Finding cheap flights is key to saving money. Use flight comparison websites. These websites show you prices from different airlines. You can compare and find the cheapest option. Look for flights during off-season. Flights are usually cheaper when fewer people are traveling. Be flexible with your travel dates. Flying on weekdays is often cheaper than weekends. Flight comparison websites are your best friend. They collect data from many airlines. This gives you a wide range of choices. Enter your travel dates and destination. The website will show you many flights. Use filters to narrow down your search. You can filter by price, airline, or time. Pay attention to extra fees. Some airlines charge for baggage or seat selection. Airlines often have sales and discounts. Knowing when these happen can save you money. Sign up for airline newsletters. Airlines announce sales and special offers through their newsletters. Follow airlines on social media. Airlines also use social media to promote deals. Consider traveling during the off-season. Flights are generally cheaper during the off-season. Section 5. Embrace flexibility. Your ticket to travel savings. Flexibility is key to finding cheap flights. Being open to different dates and times can save you money. Consider flying to a nearby airport. Sometimes flying to a smaller airport can be cheaper. Be open to connecting flights. Direct flights are usually more expensive than connecting flights. Use a travel agent. Travel agents can often find deals that you might miss. Section 6. Where to rest your weary head. Budget-friendly accommodations. Accommodations can also eat into your budget. But don't worry, there are affordable options available. Consider staying in hostels. Hostels offer dormitory-style rooms that are much cheaper than hotels. Look for Airbnb rentals. Airbnb offers a wide variety of affordable accommodations, from rooms to entire apartments. Check for last-minute deals. Hotels often offer discounted rates for unsold rooms. Section 7. Hostels. Social hubs for the budget traveler. Hostels are a great option for budget travelers. They offer affordable accommodations, often with shared bathrooms and common areas. Hostels are a great way to meet other travelers. They often organize social events and activities. Most hostels have kitchens. This allows you to cook your own meals and save money on dining out. Section 8. Airbnb. Your home away from home without breaking the bank. Airbnb has revolutionized budget travel. It allows you to rent rooms or entire homes directly from locals. Airbnb offers a wide range of options. You can find something to fit your budget and preferences. Many Airbnb rentals come with kitchens. This allows you to cook your own meals and save money. Section 9. Last-minute deals. A gamble that can pay off big. If you're flexible and spontaneous, last-minute deals can save you a lot of money. Several websites and apps specialize in last-minute travel deals. Be aware that options might be limited. Last-minute deals usually involve taking what's available.